Hello, my name is Margaret Szymanowski. I'm a Vice President and General Manager of the Microwave Solution. We are part of Crane Aerospace and Electronics, and we're here at IMS showing the products that we design. We have a very long heritage of integrated microwave assemblies that we design out of our Chandler, Arizona facility. We engineer, design, and then manufacture those IMAs again from our Chandler facility. As you can see here on display, we have some of our complex IMAs. Those are down converters, up converters, very wideband amplifier and signal sources to give you an example of some of the products that we design. Again, we engineer products. We work in the defense military space primarily. We design custom products for our customers, but we also have products that we can deliver that have already been designed out of our Chandler facility again. One of the products that we are featuring here today that's a new design is our 18 to 40 gigahertz. It's 4T4R millimeter converter with very difficult specs. I'll show you here. Again, all this information is on our website. You can see the latest products that we have available, and I'll show you that in a minute. Out of our West Caldwell, New Jersey facility, in this facility we focus on primarily passive components, again for military defense applications, some commercial. And also we have a very strong space heritage. We design and deliver a number of products for space applications. We have been delivering those products for over 25 years, so have again very strong relationship with the customers and understand the technology that is required. We have a number of space qualified products in our catalog that you can see on our website. The customers can select products from the selector guide. In addition to that, we are always able to adjust the product, transition to something specific that the customer needs. So all of the products that we have are on our website, and let me show you this. This is a link here to cranemicrowave.com. That's where we have an updated portfolio that you can see that will include all of the new products as well as the heritage products that exist. And again, we always design custom products for customers. Anything that is challenging in terms of RF, microwave specs, millimeter wave, for space applications, for defense applications, IMAs components, backplanes. We do a number of backplane designs for space applications. Again, very complex. 20, 30 layer, multi-layer boards with fusion bonding capability that of course allows for very good RF and microwave performance. So again, I would send you over to our website to look at more information that's out there.